Scientific notation. A number in scientific notation is written as the product of two factors in the form of a times 10 to the n, where n is an integer and 1 is less than or equal to a and less than 10. Examples include 8.3 times 10 to the 5th, 4.12 times 10 to the 22nd, and 7.1 times 10 to the negative 5. The first two examples are very large numbers, and I know that because the exponent is positive. The third example is a very small number, and I know that because the exponent is negative. Is the number written in scientific notation? If not, explain. A. 0.23 times 10 to the negative third. This is not in scientific notation because A is not equal to 1 or less than 10. B is an example of scientific notation. C is not an example of scientific notation because this needs to be 10 to the power, not 100 to the power. Here we have two examples of numbers written in standard form. We're going to convert them to scientific notation. So the first thing is our A needs to be greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 10. So we're going to make it a 5.14 times 10 to how many places we moved the decimal. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So times 10 to the 7. Number 2, A is going to be 7 times 10 to the, how many spaces did we move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the negative 10. Small number, negative exponent. Large number, positive exponent. Here are two examples of numbers written in scientific notation that we will convert to standard notation. So we're going to start with a 3.7, just write 3.7, and move our decimal place 3 spots. So that's 1, 2, 3. Number 4, 6.7 times 10 to the negative 4. So we have 6, 7 here, and it's a small number, so we're going to the left. So we're going to move it 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have two numbers multiplied together. A number in standard form times a number in scientific notation. So now we're going to write these in scientific notation. This is one number times another number, so we're not going to distribute here. We're going to take 4 times 2 and get 8 times 10 to the negative third. And that number is in scientific notation. Number 6, 8 times 2.46 is 19.68 times 10 to the fourth. This is not in scientific notation. I need to move my decimal place one more spot and make that 1.968 times 10 to the fifth.